Now to President Trump's trade war with China and its impact on this country's biggest exporter. Yesterday, Bloomberg News reported that Beijing had ordered Chinese airlines to halt deliveries of all Boeing aircraft. Neither Boeing nor the Chinese government have commented, but President Trump appeared to confirm the report in a social media post. CBS News Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady joins us now. Good morning, Kelly. What does this mean for Boeing?
Well, this is likely a big blow for them. I mean, you think about it, they've already had a really tough year with whistleblower accusations, pressure on the stock price. But this is China going after an iconic American company. You said it. They're the biggest exporter in the U.S., and China's a really big market for them. Over the next 2 decades, they project 20% of their demand is going to come from China. So this represents an opportunity for Airbus, a competitor, to slot in.
Yeah. So do you think that China will target more American companies? And if they do, how is that going to impact the consumer here?
So this is part of the trade war playbook. This is a non-tariff tool that China can weld, and this was already a concern back in the 2018 trade war. So if they decide to expand the strategy, you could see companies that rely on China for revenue, like Disney, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Nike, Starbucks, the list goes on.
Wow.
And, you know, that is something when you think about the impact of the consumer. If they lose revenue in one area, well, they might raise prices in another area, and that sort of trickles down to us.
Yeah, those are big-name companies that you showed on the screen that we all know about and use their products.
Exactly.
All right, Kelly O'Grady, thank you very much.